So here is all you need to do the job. An electric drill, some safety goggles for while we're drilling, a pencil or pen to mark the holes, a spirit level, a Phillips screwdriver, number 2, or you can use a suitable attachment for the drill, which makes life a bit easier, 100% silicone cork and gun, and last but not least, drill bit for drilling the holes. Now, we are using a carbide tipped drill bit because we're drilling into marble. In any case, the size you need is 5/16 inches or 8 millimeters, and it's recommended to use a smaller drill bit to start the hole as well. The shower screen comes in 2 parts. The first is the glass panel, which is fixed from top to bottom to a continuous hinge. That's one part. The second is the mounting bracket. In order to install the screen, you first take the mounting bracket and fix it to the wall. Then you take the shower panel with the hinge, insert it into the mounting bracket and fix the two together, completing the installation. So step 1 is to fix the mounting bracket to the wall. Let's first remove the mounting bracket from the carton. I recommend removing the mounting bracket while leaving the shower screen in place, because the shower screen is so bulky and heavy that there's a chance it may get damaged in the process. First of all, let's remove the polystyrene packaging from around the mounting bracket. Now, with the polystyrene removed from around the mounting bracket, we should be able to pull the mounting bracket out of the box. As you can see, it swivels, and then we can just ease the mounting bracket away from the screen itself. It may be stuck at this end. There we go. There's the mounting bracket. So here we are back in the bathroom with our mounting bracket, which we are going to fix to the wall in this position. There's a curved face which points out and a flat face that points in, and there are places for 3 fixing screws. So the next thing we need to do is mark the position of those fixing screws. Now, it's important that once installed, the shower screen only allows water to run back down into the tub, and that water can't get out underneath it. So what we need to do is fix the mounting bracket such that the bottom of the screen is immediately above the inside edge of the tub. In this installation, our tub gets wider in the middle. So what I'm going to do is measure the distance from the back wall to the inside edge of the tub, which is 26.5 inches, and then I'm going to add another ½ inch on, which gives me 27, and that is going to be the distance between the back wall and the inside edge of the mounting bracket. I'll mark that here. Now, once I'm in position with the mounting bracket resting on the tub, I need to check that the mounting bracket is vertical. So I'm going to check that using a spirit level. There we are, that's perfectly vertical. And then finally, I'm going to mark the positions of the 3 holes for drilling. 1, 2, 3. So now we're ready to drill the holes. Now that that we've marked the positions of the holes, it's time to drill them. The finished holes need to be 5/16 of an inch or 8 millimeters in diameter, but I recommend drilling smaller pilot holes first. It's important to make sure that you have the right type of drill bit for the job. In this application we're drilling into marble, so the recommended drill bit type is carbide tipped. And this is an example of a carbide tipped drill, 5/16 of an inch. You can see the arrowhead shape at the tip of the drill. It's a good idea to drill a test hole before actually drilling into your finished surface. So I beforehand took a spare tile and drilled with a carbide tipped drill to make sure that it drilled through the material without damaging it, such as cracking it. Now before we are going to drill the holes, I have two safety warnings. First of all, make sure that you wear eye protection before drilling. And second of all, make sure that you know you're not going to be drilling into any supply lines, such as water or electricity. In this installation the water runs centrally and there's no electrical in this wall, so we're fine there. Drill carefully. Here we go. So there we have the third of the 3 pilot holes drilled. You'll notice I was careful not to go too far with the chuck towards the marble tile. Now it's time to drill the full-size holes, the 5/16 inch holes. And here we go on the 5/16 hole. Start nice and steady. And there's 3. And we're now ready to fix the mounting bracket to the wall.